I spent all of 2025 only using dumbbells and body weight for my home workouts done in this small office space. And with that, I want to go over the equipment that I've come away with at the end of the year that really built out my home gym and what I'd start with if I was going into 2026. So, with that, I've broken it out into 9 individual items in sections of 3 that can allow you to start your home gym and then add on pieces that enhance it further as you acquire more funds to build out this entire home gym setup. And what is great about this is after you build it, the only thing you'd probably need to upgrade in time is the dumbbells if you need to upgrade them at all. So with that, let's jump into these 9 pieces of equipment and see how I would build them and purchase them going into 2026. So the first item is going to be the adjustable dumbbells, and the one I promoted on this channel for a very long time are the Core Fitness adjustable dumbbells. These go from 5 to 50 pounds by just turning the handle left or right. Yes, they are limited to the 50, but for the average person, this is probably all you will ever need to see good results in your home gym. Now, at this time, they are listed as $429.99 from Amazon.com. But you might be able to find these on a deal like I did and purchase them for less. So do know this is the highest listing they have on the sales page. Now on to item number 2, we have the Flybird adjustable weight bench, another item I promoted on this channel for an extremely long time. And they finally made one that I really like, being just about 17 to 18 inches off the ground and really fitting my body structure very, very well. It also inclines and declines, allowing you to do so many exercise variations based on your home workout routine. Now, as of shooting this video, it is listed on Amazon at $162.48. But again, this is an item that goes on sale all the time, so try and get it on sale so you can save some money. Now, the third item is the 1-2 Fit pull-up tower, and this is a newer item from this past year that I've really liked to use, as I can't use one of my doorway pull-up bars anymore because the place I moved into does not have strong enough door frames. This has come in clutch, and it also allows me to do dips and inverted rows as well as push-ups if I like to do that in my workout. So for the price of $199.99, this has multiple uses and is a standalone, so you don't have to worry about your door frame breaking off your door. So with those 3 items, you have built effectively a nice home gym setup. You could get away with never having to add anything in the future, but I do think there are some enhancements you can make with some items later in this list. But if you went with just these 3, the total price to you would be $792.46. Again, if you purchased everything at the highest cost listed on Amazon.com without going with some of the discounted prices that I see every single day. All right, so on to section number 2, which is 3 more additional items I think you could add to enhance the original 3. So with that, we're going to go to item number 4, which is the step platform. Now, I've had this step platform for multiple years, and it's also in my resistance bands build if you'd like to check out that. But with this, it is 4 inches off the ground, so it allows you to do things like heel raise squats and calf raises pretty easily from the comfort of home. And with that, this comes out to $42.18 on Amazon.com as of shooting this video. Moving on, we have one of my favorite pieces of equipment to enhance many of my exercises in my home gym, and that is the Hyperbell by J-Flex. Now, this makes your dumbbells into a barbell by allowing you to put the dumbbells on the end. Now, the Core Fitness dumbbells fit into this, but not all dumbbells do. So if you do purchase this product and are not using the Core Fitness dumbbells, make sure that the handle is long enough and thin enough to fit on the clamps at the end. Now, if you do decide to purchase this, it is listed on Amazon.com at $119, but I do have a code if you buy from the J-Flex site directly that will save you 15% off your order, and that is code GamerBody on the J-Flex checkout page. So with that, we have the 6th item on the list of this entire build, and that is going to be wrist straps. These help to hold onto the dumbbells better if you're struggling with things like grip, or you don't want your grip giving out before you fatigue the muscle that you are working. So on Amazon.com, these are listed at $11.99, being one of the cheaper items in the entire home gym setup. All right, so we are now through 2 whole sections, so we are enhancing the first 3 items a little bit more with these additional 3. And if you decide to go with these 6, the total cost to you would be $965.63 for the highest level pricing on Amazon as of shooting this video. So again, we are still under the $1,000, but with that, we are going to jump into the final 3 items in the next section. And starting off the next section, we do have the Mardington backpack, and I like to use this with the Core Fitness dumbbell plates. So if you didn't know, there are individual plates with the Core Fitness dumbbells that you can take out and use separately. Each are about 5 pounds. You can put them in a backpack to weight some of your body weight movements like pull-ups, push-ups, dips, inverted rows. All those are great to help you enhance your exercises and add progressive overload to get stronger over time. Now the price for this is listed at $42.99 from Amazon, and I also use this with my resistance bands build if I have that as my current modality when doing my workouts from home. All right, now the 8th piece of equipment in this build is something that I have that no longer works with my door frames in my current apartment, and that is the Cross Grips by J-Flex. These are individual handles that you can put on most door frames. They did actually work in my last apartment, but they don't fit or work in this apartment, as for one, these frames are pretty small, and 2, they definitely could not hold my body weight if I tried. So that is unfortunate, but I have still taken them traveling. So when I go back to visit my parents on the East Coast, I actually flew with them from the Seattle airport to Boston, and then I was able to use them from my parents' house to get in some pull-ups while on vacation. So again, they did make it through TSA just fine. There were some minor issues. I did make a video on this if you'd like to check it out, but do know you can travel with them if you'd like to use them for that, or use them in your apartment, home, whatever it is, if your door frame supports the product and your weight. But with it, these are listed at $119 from the Amazon website, but you can also get them for the same price over at the JFlex checkout and use my code GamerBody to save 15% off your order if you buy from the JFlex store page. All right, the 9th and final item in this list is the Core Fitness stand. So what you do with this is you take the Core Fitness adjustable dumbbell cradle and you actually screw it into the stand itself, allowing you to take the Core Fitness dumbbells and place them into the stand for easier storage. And this actually fits in my small closet, which is kind of nice. So you can set it up in there, and now I can pick them up from hip height instead of picking them up from the floor. And one thing this does do is that sometimes when the dumbbells have all 50 pounds on them, so all the plates are on the dumbbell, when you try and take it out of the cradle actually gets stuck in it. But with the stand, with the additional weight, that never happens. So you can take the dumbbells right out, even with all 50 pounds, and you are good to go. Now the grand total of all 9 of these items, if you put them together, is $1,277.61. You could buy this, and I think it would last you a very long time, especially if you're just the average person trying to stay in shape. You really wouldn't ever need more than this, and the ability to then take many of these and do body weight movements with them, and then enhance it with the dumbbells, can really take you very, very, very far in your home workouts. So with that, do you have a home gym you've already built? Do you have any other pieces of equipment you would recommend? Feel free to leave it in the comments below. I'll gladly take a look and reply to any asking you what you think of that equipment and how it's enhanced your home gym setup.